That's exactly like that.
Oh.
See him?
No,
No.
I thought I did.
Where does that come from?
I heard a
I
shot.
don't know if he's by that big
165.
tree.
Yeah,
Is
it's
he by the big green tree? 165?
I don't know where the fuck this guy is. He's like fucking David Blanning this shit right now.
God damn it. David Blaney this shit.
Fucking mind freak over here. Chris Angel.
2 seconds on that circle.
Yeah. I mean, I don't think he's got a move.
Alright, it's moving in now.
Take a swig of beer here.
Oh, I see him in the rocks. 195. There's a little crevice. I headshot him. He had a level 3 helmet.
I'm running.
That made him fuck off. That made... Oh, look, he's mad at me. He didn't fuck off. He got angry.
Alright, I'm gonna try to
Fully
peek him.
boost if you can. Snuffles is right in the middle of the next circle.
Tagged him once.
I'm not close.
Can't hit shit. Can't hit shit.
I knocked out the one dude.
In the building.
Knocked out one dude.
Oh,
Where's the other one?
Somebody
Coming.
glitching the fuck out right now.
Which direction?
I don't know.
Ow,
Dude.
I'm
He's
stuck.
like,
Hold on,
he's like
come
a fucking flash right now.
Get out of the way of the door. Get out of the way of the door.
I don't see him. Like, I know he's there because he's just glitching. It's like a single shadow every.
I'm helping Trip. You need first aids?
Good. There's a adrenaline syringe too.
Got him.
There you
Yeah,
go.
nice.
Win.
Adrenaline syringe, Trip. It fully boosts you.
He had no idea where the fuck I was.
Jesus.
GG.
Finally. That was great.
boy.
That was you versus like him basically. I was like Beef Squatch and I were over here rushing to get Trip.
Yeah, his friend was just crawling, and I saw him running down the cliffs. And I was like, oh hell yeah, got this shit. I took so many. I had like 19 shots left. That was it.
Why does it say I have a kill cam?
Yeah, I want to look at my kill cam. Oh shit, he killed me actually.
Did you guys lose?
This looks
Nah,
like my
no,
kill
we
cam
were
from like the last game.
Yeah, I know. That's what...
Oh, this is from when I got knocked
Oh, this is not cam.
earlier. Yeah. Oh, dude, you know how I said Trip
shit.
comes? You know how I said Trip gloriously just comes over, runs over, and like
Oh,
rails him
look at this
down.
picture.
Yeah.
That's exactly what happened. Like he downs me. He downs like Beef Squatch, and then Trip just comes over the hill, and he's like
Damn,
dead.
dude, I got killed with an AWM.
Hold on, I got this.
At least that's a little bit of glory. I had 4 kills too. That was nice. There he is, Trip, coming to save the day.
That's what I do.